Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the SEO world: SEMrush versus Moz. Which one should you choose for your 2025 SEO strategy? Whether you're a beginner blogger or a seasoned digital marketer, picking the right tool can make or break your online success. Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about what these tools offer. SEMrush is a powerhouse packed with features like advanced keyword research, competitor analysis, and even AI-driven insights. It's perfect if you're handling large-scale projects because it provides a massive database of keywords and backlinks. On the flip side, Moz is more user-friendly and intuitive, making it ideal for newcomers. It excels in backlink analysis and site auditing, with tools like Moz's domain authority metric that helps you gauge your site's credibility. Now, let's compare pricing. SEMrush can be a bit pricier, with plans starting around $120 per month for their Pro version, but it includes tons of extras like social media tracking. Moz is generally more affordable, with options starting at about $99 per month, which is great for small businesses watching their budget. Ease of use is another key factor. SEMrush has a steeper learning curve with its vast array of tools, while Moz's interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. When it comes to strengths and weaknesses, SEMrush shines in comprehensive data and competitive intelligence, but it might overwhelm new users. Moz, however, offers solid SEO fundamentals without the complexity, though it lacks some of the advanced features you'd find in SEMrush. For 2025, if you're focused on in-depth analysis and growth hacking, I'd lean towards SEMrush. But if you're just starting out or need something simple and cost-effective, Moz could be your go-to. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs. Test both with their free trials and see what clicks for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.